everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's topic is how to log in to your Tinder account through the Google or through your Gmail. If you're interested in the video, be with us till the end. Just go to the app, the pre-installed app. As you click on it, you'll find this sort of a screen. Either you can log in directly with your Google account, that's your Gmail, or you can click on more options where you'll find two other options. The second one is you can get in through the phone number, or you can directly log in with the Facebook account. So I'll just go with the Google account for now. As you tap on it, you'll receive a sort of option if you're logged in to your device through more than one Gmail accounts. You might have to choose from 4 or 5, however many emails you're having access to from one device. So I'll just choose any one account. After that, hold on a bit and then let it load. After that, you'll have to give a phone number. As you enter it, click on the continue tab and then you'll receive a code. After that, click on continue tab. Let it load a bit and that's it, you're sorted. Now from this section, they'll verify if you're a human. Just click on the verify tab and then just solve the puzzle. It says pick the monkey, easy peasy. And after that, you have to enable your location. Just click on allow location so that the app finds people near you. And that's it, you're good to go. We'll just try to locate people who are using this similar app, and that's about it. After that, you can just bang on with the app. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you liked the video or if the video was helpful, do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon below for all the latest updates. Thank you.